out by opposition racers, the Republican Party is chopping at the bit.
There's no doubt that we lost because Gabbard has been nominated.
David Gaffney from the Republican National Committee says Gabbard's liberal priorities will not fare well with the likely GOP candidate, President Donald Trump.
Perhaps we'll do well in the Democratic field, where you do have a lot of the radicals calling up for trouble.
Over the last month to do an interview here in Washington, they have not granted us one. On Capitol Hill, Peter Zampa, now.
And late this afternoon, Gabbard's campaign released a statement on her behalf saying, to further our national security interests and the cause of peace, we need to be ready to meet with adversaries and those we disagree with. The only alternative is war and more war in Washington and in Hawaii. She advocates for the needs of the people of Hawaii in Congress and provide top-quality constituent services.
Well, Congresswoman Gabbard is not the only Democratic presidential candidate facing some backlash. Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren once again being criticized for claims of Native American ancestry. This week, a 1986 photo surfaced showing her registration card for the Texas Bar Association. On it, she lists her race as American Indian. Boy, Senator Mazie Hirono says she stands by Warren.
She is going to continue to probably respond to the various criticisms about her Indian heritage, and that's what she's going to do. But I certainly hope that in the context of all of the other things that she's fought for our communities, women, and families, that I hope that people will look for those kinds of positions.
Warren says as a girl in Oklahoma, she learned stories about her family's history, which led her to believe that she was Native American. She clarified that her stories are not the same as tribal citizenship.
Virginia voters are grappling with 3 scandals at the highest level of their state government.
Those scandals involve allegations of racism and sexual assault. Nicole Killian has the latest.
West Virginia's lieutenant governor, attorney general, and governor all caught up in scandal. Voters in the state are looking for a way forward. Nothing's going to get done in the government the way it is, though. You know, I'm not an expert. That's just how I feel.
I'm just disappointed. This has to happen to us, citizens of Virginia.
Attorney General Mark Perry admitted Wednesday he lost last base to a college question party in 1980. In a statement, he said, I have a glaring example from my past that I have thought about with deep regret in the many years since. Just a few days ago, Harry called for Governor Ralph Northam to resign over a racist photo in his medical school yearbook. The history of blackface in this country is the history of racism in this country, the history of slavery in this country. Lieutenant Governor Justin Fairfax is first in line to replace Northam if the governor resigns. But Fairfax has his own scandal, a sexual assault allegation. His accuser, Vanessa Tyson, released a statement saying, at the 2004 Democratic Convention in Boston, consensual kissing quickly turned into a sexual assault. Fairfax has denied her allegation and said in a statement, reading Dr. Tyson's account is painful. I have never done anything like what she suggests. Northam and Fairfax spoke on the phone today. One aide described the call as, quote, very affable, but no other details were released. Nicole Killian, Hawaii News Now. Our fashion designer Gucci is apologizing for a sweater some say resembles blackface. It's a black wool sweater with a collar that goes over a person's face. The top also has hair oversized printed around a person's mouth. Gucci says it has learned from its mistakes and will no longer sell the sweater.
Here on the Oahu, 2 divers and a boat captain are safe after they were rescued by ocean safety in waters off Turtle Bay along the north shore. The group experienced trouble when their 25-foot boat ran out of gas and drifted away from the divers. This happened just after 3:30 this afternoon. The captain eventually had to abandon the vessel and it is now grounded along the rocky coastline.
Where you can see partly cloudy skies and otherwise been gloomy for parts of the state. We're also tracking severe weather later this week with a powerful wind.
Vince Gutierrez has more on what we can expect, Ben.
Yeah, not just the wind, still hazards are going to be coming up this weekend. We're watching the possibility, first off, of massive surf with north shores up to 40 to 60 feet and west shores up to 40 feet on Sunday. There's also potentially damaging north to northwest winds of 20 to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour. Because strongest winds will be on Sunday. The combination of the high winds and waves may cause significant coastal flooding and property damage. Now, a little bit earlier, we had a cold front that moved through the islands. It has cleared Kauai and Oahu, but some clouds and showers are still covering parts of Maui County and the Big Island. We're definitely watching this low-pressure system that's off to the north. It's building strength over the next few days. The winds will be increasing along with the possibility of wet weather, and the very strongest winds are possible on Sunday. Meantime, we also have a warning level 12 that's already on the way tomorrow, and that low-pressure system is not going to make things any easier. It's going to bring a second swell on Sunday that will be pushed in by the wind, so be prepared just in case. Right now, let's check in with Danielle Tucker with traffic.
We've got a major accident, and this is coming down University Avenue to King Street. That's what you're looking at. King is on the right. The police officer is going to go toward King and Baratania. You can see the handy van that's involved in this accident in the left turn lane. Another vehicle is right alongside it. Bottom line is coming out of Manoa University Avenue area. Very, very congested as a result of this accident at King and University at King Street. So coming down, it's going to be slow moving for you out of Manoa. We had an earlier accident going into Eva Beach. That one has been cleared. From City and County of Oahu Visitors Traffic Management Center, I'm Danielle Tucker. Back to Sean and staff.
All right, Danielle, thank you very much. House Democrats are launching multiple investigations into President Trump. President says he's being harassed.
Meantime, there is still no